Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. In today's video, I am going to create this pink eyeshadow liner look with the help of micellar water and pink eyeshadow. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you liked it. Do let us know in the comment section below. And for more such content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.